The approach of this poster is to identify epitopes of IC2 monoclonal autoantibody by affinity measurements and TLC, and in combination with desorption, electrospray, ionization, mass spectrometry. And we know that IC2 has a specificity to beta cell surface, and we know that sulfatide is involved in CD1D complex, and the yellow indicate lipids, sulfatides, and the gray indicate CD1D molecule. And we also have confirmed IC2, the interaction between IC2 and sulfatide by immuno-TLC, and we can see in lane 4, 5, and 6 the interaction. And furthermore, we also performed affinity measurements of IC2 to the intact beta cells, and we get a high binding of KD value of 1.4 nanomolar. And we also have performed MST measurement where we have a low binding between IC2 and free lysosulfatide. And then we have a 1,000 higher binding in QCM measurement than we have from MST measurement. Therefore, we will investigate the lipids in CD1D complex further. And this will be done by isolating lipid rafts from beta cell surface by cell culture, French pressure, sonication, followed by ultra centrifugation by stepwise sucrose gradients in different concentrations. And then we will analyze the lipids by immuno-TLC, where we will purify this complex, and then the extracted lipids can then be analyzed by thermo LTQ XL linear ion trap mass spectrometer, where we have TLC plate here and the electrospray here, and this can ionize the plate and analyze the lipids. And then I have performed pilot experiments on sulfatides, lysosulfatides, and beta galactoceramides. And at last of the project, I will compare my results from isolated lipid rafts and compare this to lipid standards performed by DCMS. Thanks for the attention.